So this is just a quick video to help Fiat 500 owners whose window might just drop down into the door, like happened on my daughter's little car. Because the window regulator had broken off inside and the window had just dropped down, or the window glass had just dropped down into the door. Now, what I told her to do was to lower the window with the electric switch or with the windy all the way down to the bottom, so that the clip part, which is the bit that usually breaks, is down at the bottom, and then to try and get your fingers in there and lift the glass up. There should be enough space for you to get your fingers in over here, grab hold of the top of the glass and pull it up, and once you've got about 6 inches or so, put your hand flat on there, front and back, and push it up into place. But before you do that, find yourself 2 pieces of wood like this. So they're about 2 centimeters thick, about 3/4 of an inch. Find yourself 2 pieces of wood like that, or if you're at home and you have 2 plastic rubber door stoppers, grab yourself 2 of those. Have them handy so that when you push the glass up into the frame like this, you can take the pieces of wood, insert them into the center of the window over there like this, and then slide the one forward over there, and do the same with the second one. If you wanted to, you could put another one in here, and what those will do is they will just act as wedges to stop the glass dropping down. Now make sure that the glass is all the way up in its frame like this, so the window is sealed. Then push the window button so that the regulator and the broken clip come from the bottom of the door all the way up to the underneath of the glass, and you'll hear it and probably see it slightly push the bottom of the glass up a little bit more. Then you know that the window is not going to drop down again. These 2 pieces of wood will actually hold the window glass up in place and stop it from dropping past the broken regulator again, and you should be fine for a couple of days while you order a new part. For a Fiat 500, they're about £50 off eBay for a replacement. At other motor factors maybe more, and then of course from Fiat more than that. It's not a very difficult job to replace. The door panel comes off with these 2 little 6mm or 5mm Allen keys over there, and there's this little clip here which simply fits in there like that. You can pull it off with a long fingernail, and that's how this inside door panel comes off, and then you can just pop it out. It's got these poppers. Now some of the Fiat 500s have additional screws in them. This is a 2010 lounge model. It doesn't have those additional screws, so this door panel is very easy to get off. And then behind here, if you can imagine it, there are just 3 bolts that you undo to drop the regulator out, but there's lots of videos on YouTube about how to do that, but just thought that would be a handy tip for somebody who, like my daughter, got stuck with the glass down. And now with the glass back up, your car is safe from any rain, and of course it's secure again, and you can drive around like this for a while you wait to have it repaired. Anyway, hopefully that was useful. Give it a thumbs up if it was, and subscribe to the channel.